Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the foreign key constraint. The foreign key is used to establish the link between two tables, and it refers to the primary key of another table. Let's see what are the different characteristics. So when you declare foreign key on a certain column, then that column cannot have unique values. What does that mean? It can have duplicate values. Also, null values allowed there. Then you can have a multiple foreign keys. And the fourth one is a referential integrity. So referential integrity tells us or ensures that the connection between these two tables, they are correct or accurate, so that the record in first table links to the valid record of another table. If you see here, the records from your staff members tables, they are linked to the valid records of your staff department table. So these were the four different characteristics of your foreign key constraint. Let's try to understand the syntax. We already have seen few constraints here, but we are more interested in foreign key constraint. We are going to define department ID column as a foreign key. Let's see, first here we have two different primary keys. This one is for your staff member table and this one is for your staff department table. Now we need to point, or it needs to reference to the primary key of another table. So when we're declaring foreign key of this department ID from first table, it needs to reference to the primary key of another table. So we are going to reference to this primary key. Let's see how to do that. I'm using light blue color for foreign key. You just mention foreign key keyword here and then your column name. This is your column name and you are referencing that to staff department table name, and this is your department ID table, and you use for referencing references keyword. That's all syntax for your foreign key constraint. If you have any question or comments, just please let me know. That's all for this slide. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.